Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the code and signing in. This is crucial because codes lock to region and account. Once signed in, make sure your Microsoft account is the one you use for Xbox apps on PC. Open the Microsoft Store app or go to the Redeem page in your browser. Both paths work the same. If you're using email, copy the code now. Don't proceed until you see your account avatar in the store, because redeeming on the wrong account can't be reversed. Now you redeem the card. In the Microsoft Store, click your profile and choose Redeem Code or use the Redeem page online. Carefully type the 25-character code. Hyphens sometimes matter. Once entered, the site shows what the card adds, time, credits, or an upgrade, so read that confirmation. If it triggers a subscription extension, make sure it stacks with any current Game Pass or Xbox Live Gold details. After you confirm, wait for the success message. That means the subscription credit applied to your account. Finish by opening the Xbox app on your PC and signing in. The subscriptions area should show Game Pass active. If you don't see it immediately, close and restart the Xbox app in Microsoft Store, since cached sessions often hide changes. Check your email for the receipt confirming redemption. That's proof if you need help. If issues continue, contact Microsoft support with your code and account email. They can trace redemptions. Remember, do not share the code publicly. Support can verify ownership securely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.